Hey, what's going on? Dan Bradley here, and welcome inside my CPA Eagle review. Now, throughout this review, I'm going to be sharing with you guys exactly what this software and training combination is all about, and why this is a product you might want to consider adding to your marketing toolbox. Now guys, if this is your first time here, thanks ever so much for clicking this video. Make sure you drop down below, smash that subscribe button, click the little bell notification so that you can be notified about up and coming product launches, tutorials, giveaways, all that great stuff that we do right here on this particular channel. Now, just before we dive in and take a look at the actual product, I'm going to give you a quick overview of what we're going to cover on this video. So we're going to be checking out this CPA Eagle software, the training system, and I'm going to be giving you a quick demo of what they're all about. We're going to be talking about the upgrades and what upgrades that they are offering, and my personal recommendations of which ones I believe are worth the money and worth the investment, and those that honestly don't waste your money on, okay? And then make sure you stay tuned towards the end of this video, because I'm going to be sharing with you my custom bonuses that are exclusively for those of you who choose to pick this up through me. Now, of course, at any point during the video, if you feel like you've seen enough and you do want to pick up CPA Eagle, down below this YouTube video, you'll see a link in the description. Click that link and it will take you through to my review page where you can get more information about CPA Eagle. You can check out those bonuses, and of course, you're going to be able to pick all of that up. So, without further ado, let's dive in to CPA Eagle. Alright guys, welcome inside the membership area of CPA Eagle, and you'll see here that this is the membership area for the course that comes with it. So, a number of different great videos here. Alright, you can obviously start watching with the welcome video in the members area. Then what you're going to need to do is download your software, okay? This is going to basically go out there and find what they call can't fail CPA offers in any niche, country and network. Okay, so it's going to go out and start searching for high quality CPA offers. It's going to start searching for offers that the system picks up, so it's going to be the easiest for you to compete with. Okay, now it's obviously important that you guys, as well, the software is going to be great. That's definitely going to help you find some great opportunities, but I think it's also important that you have the training, and so I want to focus more on the training that they're going to be including, because it's really going to be about, once you've got the training and the knowledge of how to actually run traffic into CPA offers, and all the other stuff, particularly the bonus stuff that I'm going to be giving you guys as well, then you can basically rinse and repeat this for any offers you want, which could be CPA offers, they could be affiliate marketing offers, lots of different things that you can do once you have those core skills. So that's what I really want to focus on. Now, obviously inside this training module here, you've got a number of different things. So module 1, obviously how to sign up for these CPA networks. Do not skip this, okay? You might think, well, this is easy, right? I just fill in my details, and yet you know, you do need to be saying certain things to be getting approved for these networks. So watch that video, learn what they are. Then you've got obviously manually finding CPA offers, which is really important to manually be able to do that, because these are the core skills, right? Everything that you want to get, and this is what I always say to people who are thinking about picking up products: is this product going to help you with your core skills that you need, so core marketing skills, or is it going to give you a solution to a problem? That's what you want in either a software or a training product, right? And so CPA Eagle is teaching you how to do it manually, and then of course they're going to show you how to do it through using their software. So I really like that, because let's be honest, right? You've got a software, that's great, but for the future, and you're going to want to find your own CPA offers. If you want to enter into a new niche, you might have some offers already. You might see other people promoting loads of offers. Maybe you've seen something come up on timeline that someone else is promoting, or something on Facebook, and so you want to be able to validate that yourself. So that's a really important video there. Scrolling on down, module 3, obviously deciding your funnel. Now I've got a great set of bonuses all about this, because funnels and pages and all this sort of stuff is what I do on a daily basis. Okay, so I've got a lot of bonuses on that as well, so stay tuned for those. Then you've got how to create your funnel, how to drive some traffic, and they're giving you how to claim $100 of free ad credits. Alright, how to set up your Google ad campaigns, search campaigns. You've got display type campaigns, and then remarketing. Okay, and then down below there's some bonuses, and then it's going to be talking about the upgrades again. So so that's basically everything you've got in there. Now, it's quite a lot of training. Some of the videos are short videos, sort of 4-6 minute videos. Others of them here, look, you've got a 19-minute video here, another 16-minute video here, 15-minute videos. I would say all in all, you're probably looking at somewhere around the 3-hour mark with the training, okay? So a lot of in-depth, great training here that's really going to help you to branch out into CPA offers. Now, if you already kind of are not interested, either you've already started in CPA offers or maybe you're not even interested in CPA offers that much, I would still recommend the CPA Eagle. Here's why. Because it's going to be teaching you how to do what I call the core skills. Running ads, Google ads, search campaigns, display type campaigns, okay, remarketing. All of these are core marketing skills that are applicable, to anything that you do. So whether or not you want to do affiliate marketing, you want to create your own digital products, or you want to build a membership site, whatever it is that you're wanting to achieve, these core skills are going to help you to do that and to help you obviously drive traffic and bring people in. Now, as I said to you guys, down below this YouTube video, there's a link down there, and that will take you through to this page. This is the CPA Eagle review page. All right, you can scroll on down through this, give you a little bit of information about what the product is, what the modules are, and then you come to the first upgrade that it's going to offer you. So this is OTO1. So this is the PPC ad wizard. Okay, so PPC being pay per click. Okay, it's a unique approach to CPA. Okay, mastering and controlling CPA PPC ad campaigns with a special tool called Ad Wizard. Now, what this is going to enable you to do is actually to spy on your competitors in any niche and see the ads that they're running. So you can see the ads that they're using, the landing pages, these extensions, everything that they're doing to drive traffic into their CPA offers. All right, obviously you're going to be able to see the keywords, and of course, the idea of it is that you're able to avoid overspending, so you can kind of filter down and create a much better system. And of course, you also get the $100 CPA method, which is another course that they offer. All right, so that's upgrade number 1 then that's offered for you. Upgrade number 2 is done for you CPA campaigns. This is where you're going to get landing pages, articles, content, offer details, email swipes, everything you need, including the audience details to run your ads against. And you're also going to get a special CPA list domination as a bonus that uses Bing ads to dominate CPA. So of course you're going to be able to now tap into Bing ads. Definitely not as big as Google ads, of course, but you know, I've made some good money from Bing. It is a thing. There's definitely opportunities there. And one of the thing about Bing is that it's primarily actually used in the USA. So you're getting predominantly, you know, tier 1 US traffic through Bing because it's actually the most popular in the US. Okay. Someone's probably going to tell me there's some stat that says it's more popular somewhere, but I can tell you from my own experience, I get a lot more of tier 1 traffic through from Bing, okay? So, they're done for you CPA campaigns, that's the second upgrade. Upgrade number 3 then, guys, is CPA case studies. All right, now I'm never a huge fan of case studies, really, to look through. I think that they should kind of just be available for free, to be honest, these case studies, all right? So, I wouldn't necessarily recommend Upsell 3. Upsell 4, reseller rights. Well, only pick up reseller rights if you know what you're doing with driving traffic, because you can pick up these reseller rights, but you actually need to resell them to make some money on it, right? So if you don't know what you're doing with traffic, guys, leave that out. So kind of just to sum up then, I would obviously recommend the front end product, the PPC ad wizard as well, that's pretty cool, and the done for you campaigns is definitely going to help you guys out. Offers 3 and 4, I wouldn't bother, but take a look at them, they might be for you, but for my personal opinion, I would say no. And then let's talk about the bonuses. Now, as always, guys, we've gone above and beyond to make sure that you guys get the best bonuses. Now, of course, feel free to leave this video, go and have a look around, go see what other people are offering bonuses, because you can always come back to this page once you realize that I have the best bonuses. The bonuses that are going to be the most useful for this particular product. Now, bonus number 1 is Facebook Ads Masterclass and how to scale up. Now, it's one of the things that they don't talk about there. They talk about Google, but they don't talk about Facebook ads. So we're going to show you Facebook ads. We're going to show you how to scale them profitably, and we're going to talk about how to do retargeting. Okay, so we're going to get you guys on to talk about, the retargeting, how to get people back, because you can get penny clicks. If someone goes to that page, they don't take action, they don't enter their email address, they don't end up doing whatever action it is you want them to do, you can then retarget them across Facebook, social media, and that's very, very cheap to do in comparison to doing just kind of search results. So retargeting is very important. I'm going to show you how to do that with Facebook. So that's bonus number 1, which is really, really going to help you guys out. Bonus number 2 is 15 plus strategies for CPA and digital products. So these again are what we're talking about. This is what I'm trying to teach you guys is broad skills. So this is over 15 traffic strategies for driving traffic that you can use to drive for CPA offers or affiliate marketing products. Okay, so again, these are great products. So CPA Eagle has got some good strategies, but the more traffic you can drive, the more eyeballs you can get to your page, then ultimately the more money you're going to make, right? The more commissions you're going to generate. So it's what you want to be trying to do: use as many traffic sources as possible and push all those people into those offers. Okay. Bonus number 3 is how to build your own ecosystem with funnels. Now this is a big bonus. We're actually going to take you guys to, I think we're about 7 or 8 videos in this series now. And we're actually going to show you guys how to build funnels. Okay, so what is a funnel, why build funnels, how they work, how you're able to eventually build this ecosystem where you're going to drop these leads in, and if you're going to be paying about $1 a lead to drop those people in through your ads, for example, and by the time it filters out, you're making on average $8 for every $1 that you spend. So for every person you put in is going to make you $8 out the bottom of the funnel. So if you think about like a normal funnel, so think about, I don't know, if you're filling something up and you've got one of these funnels in, so it's a small chute here, then it goes out like this, right? This is exactly what we've got with the funnel online. So you put people in at the first level, everybody sees the first level of stuff, and then you take them through, and obviously people fall off each end. You take people through what's called like a value ladder or a funnel, and you take people through so that people are able to pick up more products from you, they're able to buy stuff from you, and this works really well with CPA offers, right? Because what you can do is you can actually put people into CPA offers, then you can of course retarget them, get people back into stuff, and you already know those people are interested in these things, so you're earning money from CPA. You can get them inside your ecosystem, you can retarget them, you can of course email them, and then get them into your funnel and start making money from them as well, which is going to make you a lot more money as opposed to just doing CPA. And then bonus number 4 is a sexy page and funnel builder that plugs right into WordPress. So if you see this page here that I'm showing you now, you'll see this page on the link down below. Go and take a look at it. This is a page that I built in a piece of software called Convertry. Now Convertry runs us at about $70 a month, and it's obviously a very important piece of software for our business, and that's why we pay for it. Now what we understand is that $70 a month is quite a lot for many of you guys, and obviously when you're first starting out, when I was first starting out, I think my first month online I only made about $80 or $90, so it definitely wouldn't have been possible. So we're going to give you a somewhat toned down version, but so enable you basically to build funnels and sexy pages straight into WordPress. Okay. Now I used this when I first started. I used it for many months, and in the end it actually made me thousands of dollars. So it is going to work for you. It is a slightly, as I said, it's a slightly reduced version down from what we use now. So if you do want to take a look at what we use now, it's called Convertry. You'll see a link on this page here, down in the right hand corner. You can go down, smash that button there, take a look, give you more information about the product. It'll show you the video demo and all that great stuff if you want to take a look at this one. But if you're just starting out and you're on a pretty limited budget, then this funnel builder and page builder is really going to help you. Okay, simple and easy to use. You plug it straight into your WordPress and you are good to go. Now all of these bonuses, guys, are exclusive to me. You're not going to get these bonuses through anywhere else, and only going to get them when you pick up CPA Eagle through the link down below this YouTube video. Now I hope you guys have got a little bit of value out of this review. I wanted to keep it nice and short and kind of to the point really. Go through, you can pick this up. Those bonuses are going to be waiting for you as well. CPA Eagle is definitely a great course that's really going to help you guys understand the core skills. You're going to be able to understand core marketing skills, driving traffic, running ads, all of that sort of really important stuff with this course. It's obviously CPA is definitely a really cool thing as well, because you're getting paid cost per action. So you're getting paid for just sign-ups usually. So once you're basically signing these people up, they're not having to pay anything, but you are making money. So you don't actually have to make sales. So it can be easier to generate money, although the money that they give you is usually a lot less than affiliate marketing. So I would usually say, start in CPA marketing, get a feel for that, you get a feel for driving traffic, then move to affiliate marketing, which is definitely more lucrative. So that kind of brings me to the end of this CPA Eagle review. If you guys have got any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments below. You guys know I'm pretty active in the comments. I'll be sliding on down there and helping you guys out if there's anything that you need. Alternatively, of course, you can hit my team up. There'll be some contact details down below in the description, or of course down below if you're watching this on my review page, down below there as well. But yeah, wherever you are around the world, guys, have an amazing day. We've got lots of cool stuff that we're working on for this channel here, and new stuff as well. So we're really excited to bring you guys that out. I can't believe it's nearly the end of September. So keep going with what you're doing, guys. Keep pushing forward, all right? This is the time of year when it can get a little bit tricky, all right? As we start getting in towards Christmas, and people don't want to invest in their businesses because they want to kind of save money for Christmas. I get it. But make sure you keep pushing forward with your business dreams. All right, guys, if I can do anything for you, of course, hit me up. Otherwise, I will see you on the next video. Make sure you subscribed. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. It does enable me to continue creating content like this, and it tells me that you did enjoy being here. So thanks ever so much, guys. Have an amazing day. Bradley out. This has been my CPA Eagle review.